out here on my dope beans, tipping my dope beans, getting off these dope beans.
You already know what it is.
All grind, no play. You know what I'm talking about?
We're gonna talk about twerk. What you call that right there?
Gotta push this shit.
That's twerk.
And at the end of the day, it's gonna be done.
Out here with the big homie Mikey, man. We out here promoting this real shit. Out here on the scene, really fucking with it. San Diego, California, California infection. Best kept secret, nigga. Get a bar. We got the riders out here hopping and shit. You know what I'm saying? A couple little bitches out here and shit. We out here fucking with it. Check out some of the cars and shit, you know what I'm saying? See what we really got going on. Green, nigga. It's that money green machine, nigga, you dig? San Diego, California, nigga. Southeast. Ha! That's what it look like. Rider, nigga. Right here, what you looking at is a rider. Right here, what you looking at is a rider. They out here. About 1,000.
Y'all might want to support the movement. You know what I'm talking about? We don't ever stop.
That's what we do, man. We make this real shit for the public, man. We get out here and we promote this shit. We push this shit. You feel me? At the end of the day, they gonna respect this shit. It's that real shit. You feel me? I hear a lot of you niggas out here. I hear what y'all talking about, what y'all rapping about, nigga, but just that real shit. Really in the motherfucking field shit. On the real. But I hear you, though.